Hi everyone, welcome back to our audiobook Numbers Made Easy. We enter data on a spreadsheet by using the Numbers application on Mac. The data may be anything depending on our requirement. If you are a student or a teacher, you may require a timetable for your classwork. In this episode, I am going to demonstrate how to create a timetable on a spreadsheet for our classwork inside the Numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. The main focus of this demonstration is to show you how to merge the cells on a spreadsheet and how to transpose rows and columns. I am going to explain the process of merging cells and transposing rows and columns by taking this example of creating a timetable. So you have to concentrate on how we are going to merge the cells and transposing rows and columns. Without further delay, let's get started. Let's go to the desktop with Vivo Shift D.
Desktop.
Command spacebar to activate the spotlight.
Spotlight. Spotlight search window. Blank search text field.
Type numbers
Cap NUMBERS.
and hit the return key.
Finder. Desktop numbers. Open window. Column view. One item selected. Docs.
Press and hold the command key and then press the letter N as in November to open the collection of templates.
Window. Collection.
Interact with this collection of templates with Vivo Shift down arrow.
In collection. Recents.
Interact with these recents by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
In section. 0 items. Blank. Simple table on a white background.
I would like to go with this simple table on a white background as always. So I am hitting the return key to create a spreadsheet on a white background with 22 rows and 7 columns.
Untitled window. Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected B2, empty cell.
Interact with this spreadsheet area by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
In table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected B2, empty cell, row 2, empty cell.
Vivo FN left arrow to go to the first row, first column, first cell.
Column header cell, row header cell, cell, row 1, A1.
In this first cell, I would like to enter a clock emoji. Press the FN key to activate the table of emojis.
Character palette, character search, system dialog, blank, search text field.
Vivo right arrow.
Characters.
Interact with this table by using Vivo Shift down arrow.
In characters. Suggested.
Navigate with Vivo right arrow until we get objects.
Frequently used. Favorites. Smileys and people. Animals and nature. Food and drink. Objects.
Interact again with Vivo Shift down arrow.
In object. Mobile phone.
Navigate with Vivo right arrow until we get a clock emoji.
Computer. Alarm clock.
I would like to take this emoji, so I have to hit the return key on this clock.
Numbers. Untitled window. Table style 1 alarm clock is editing. column header cell, row header cell.
This is just an example timetable. Hit the tab key to go to the next cell on the same first row.
Column header cell, cell B1.
Let me enter the timings from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Word 0, 10, cap A, cap M, 10 a.m. TO 2, 1, 1, 11, cap A, cap M, 11 a.m.
Hit the tab key once more
Column header cell, cell C1.
and let me enter the timings from 11 a.m. to 12 noon.
Word 1, cap A, cap M, 11 TO 2, 1, 2, 12, cap N, O, N, 12 noon.
I will just enter the timings in these cells just by hitting the tab key to go from one cell to another cell.
Column header cell, cell. Word, table style 1, 1. 1 cap P, cap 1 p.m. TO 2, 2, 2, cap P, cap M.
Here I am considering the time slots to be just 1 hour from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., 11 a.m. to 12 noon, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Let us say from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m.
1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Column header cell, cell.
we have the lunch break.
Word, table style 1, 2. Cap M, 2 p.m. TO 2, 3, cap M.
Command left arrow to go to the first cell inside this first row.
Alarm clock, column header cell, row header cell, cell, row header cell, cell, A1.
Now press the down arrow to go to the next cell in this first column.
Row header cell, cell, A2.
I would like to use this column to enter the names of the weeks like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so on and so forth.
Row header cell, cell, A2.
Here I am just typing MON instead of typing the entire word Monday.
Word, O-N, mon.
Press the down arrow.
Row header cell, cell, A3.
Let me type TUE instead of typing Tuesday.
Word, table UE, Tuesday.
I'll get back to you after filling all these cells in this spreadsheet. Welcome back. I would like to type a heading to this spreadsheet by adding one row above the first row. VOFN left arrow to go to the first row, first column, first cell.
Alarm clock, column header cell, row header cell, cell, A1.
Now I would like to add one extra row above this first row by using option up arrow.
Column header cell, row header cell, cell, row added above.
Let me type timetable in this row.
Word, table IME, time, cap TABLE, table.
We have to select this entire row to merge the cells inside this row. So I have to select this entire row first. Press and hold the command key, option key, and then hit the return key to select the entire row.
B1 through H1, added to selection, A1 through H1, selected.
Command Control M as in mango merges all the cells inside this row.
Merge cells.
Now this entire row has become only one single cell without any lines or grids in between. VO down arrow to go to the next row.
Alarm clock. Column header cell. Row header cell. Cell.
Vivo up arrow to go to the previous row.
Timetable.
Press and hold the option key and then hit the return key to enter this row.
Word. Table style 1 table. End of text.
Now the cursor is at the end of this sentence.
Table style 1 timetable.
Command Shift left arrow selects this entire sentence timetable.
Timetable. Selected.
Press and hold the command key and then press the letter B as in book to make it bold.
Bold. Checked.
Command Shift equal to makes the font size bigger.
Bigger. Bigger.
I would like to make this sentence center to this entire row. VOM to go to the Apple menu bar.
Menu bar Apple.
VO right arrow until we get format.
Format.
VO down arrow.
Format.
Press the down arrow.
Font.
Press the down arrow.
Text.
Press the right arrow.
Text align left.
Press the down arrow until we get center.
Align center.
Hit the return key on this center.
Timetable. Timetable is editing. Spans 4,294,967,304 columns. Column header cell. Row header cell.
We are done. Now I would like to show you how to transpose rows and columns on this spreadsheet.
Alarm clock. Column header cell. Row header cell. Cell.
Command A to select the entire spreadsheet.
A1 through H8. Added to selection. A1 through H8. Selected.
VOM once again to go to the Apple menu bar.
Menu bar Apple.
VO right arrow until we get the menu item table.
Table.
Press the down arrow.
Table add header row above.
Type the letter T.
Transpose rows and columns.
Hit the return key on this menu item.
Row header cell.
The rows became columns and the columns became rows.
Sat. Column header cell. Cell. Alarm clock. Column header cell. Row header cell. Cell. Mon. Column header cell. Cell.
You can observe that all the rows and columns in this table are transposed. I would like to undo the action with command Z as in Zulu.
A1 through H8. Added to selection. A1 through H8. Selected. Timetable spans 4,294,967,304 columns. Column header cell. Row header cell. Cell. Row 1.
I would like to export this timetable as a PDF document.
Alarm clock. Column header cell. Row header cell. Cell.
VOM once again to go to the Apple menu bar.
Menu bar Apple.
VO right arrow until we get File menu.
File.
Press the down arrow.
File new ellipsis command. N.
Type the letter E as in elephant to reach the export menu.
Export to.
Hit the return key.
Export to PDF ellipsis.
Hit the return key once more.
Dialog.
Interact by using VO Shift down arrow.
In dialog, export your spreadsheet.
VO right arrow.
PDF. Excel. CSV. TSV. Numbers 09. Page layout. Use print settings.
VO right arrow.
Fit each sheet to a single page. Include comments. Dimmed unchecked. Image quality. Best. Require password to open. Unchecked.
VO right arrow once again.
Disclosure triangle. Advanced options. Help. Print setup.
VO right arrow once again.
Cancel. Send a copy. Save.
VO space on this save button.
Untitled. Content selected. Save as.
Here it is asking a title for this spreadsheet. Let me type timetable.
Selection replaced IME time. Cap TABE.
VO right arrow.
Tags, tags, back, forward, column view. Change the work.
VO right arrow once again.
Show less blank, column view. New fold, cancel, export.
VO space on this export button and we are done. In this episode, I have shown you how to merge cells inside a row, and also I have shown you how to transpose rows and columns by taking an example of creating a timetable. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, and I'll catch you up in the next episode with another tutorial on numbers. Thank you all. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.
This is an Apple Voice presentation.